Hi! In front of me is POCO X5 and today I would like to show you how you can use floating windows on this device. First of all, open one of your apps that you wish to use in pop-up view, in my case Play Store. Now access Tab menu and look for Floating Windows shortcut. When you find it, click on it. Then tap on this tiny window and as you can see, now I can use my app in pop-up view. If you wish to move it around, hold this blue line and drag it. Then let go. In order to make it full screen, hold the lower one and drag it down. If you wish to close your app completely, go into Background Apps and swipe it from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!